Welcome back to Quiz Butterfly. Hot or cold? Choose your gift with this 30 challenges. But before this, please like and subscribe. Let's go. What's your choice? Hot or cold? Did you get hot hair or cold hair? What's your choice? Will you choose the hot gift or the cold gift? Make the right choice. You've made a good choice. Which will it be? Would you rather the hot gift or the cold gift? Make your choice. Choose your gift. Hot or cold? Would you rather the hot gift or the cold gift? Which gift will you choose? Yummy. Oops, I almost told you. Choose wisely. Hot or cold? Choose the right one. Well done. Hot or cold? Would you rather cold or hot? Hot or cold? Would you rather the hot gift or the cold gift? What's your choice? Which gift will you choose? What's your choice? It's the moment of truth, hot or cold. Make your own choice. Would you rather the hot gift or the cold gift? Would you rather cold or hot? Choose wisely. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.